Hello again. So here is a quick bloom I'm doing. So I'm using the used pillow which I use in my last painting. I just collected it and I just put on the top of my wooden heart, the one I'm using, and going to make a bloom. So all I got here right now is just pillow on top of it, and I just grab it and using the same pillow what I use in my last one. So you can see it's a paint there, but it will get hidden once again the bloom is spread over. So let's get started. So got I'm using most of the TLPs. This is Sequins. So it's going in the middle. Then using this lovely Lakeside TLP. Then going for, what should I go for? Sockeye? Going for Sockeye. And using Groovy, just Groovy with pouring medium and gel gloves. And using this lovely Sapphire. Drop. And this is just black Arteza mixed with pouring medium. That's going, just making a drop like this, because there's one more paint going on top of it. So I thought just to give a little bit different color to this gold. It's extreme Sheen gold. It's 24 karat. So, and I'm going for my cell activator. So using my white cell activator. That's it. Now it's time to blow. It's a bit difficult to do this way. To use a straw for the other side. I can't reach that. So that's done. I'm just going to wait until the paint comes in the middle and then I start spinning it. Right. Now it's time to spin. So I'm going okay. Going other way around now. It's a lovely bloom here, but I'm going to cover this bit, so try to go this way. Okay, go this way.